In this demo, we're going to configure a department for our users, create an OU, run the script to create the users, and then verify that the new users were successfully created. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to run PowerShell, and we're going to retrieve all the users from the research OU. And we're going to use the get ADUser command to do that. Now we're going to take the results of this command, pipe it over to the set ADUser command, and modify the department property to say research. Now we're going to want to display a table, and notice nothing shows up under department. What we have to do is we have to specify that particular property, so when we call it out individually, it will show up like you see here. We're going to create an OU called London branch. Now we're going to navigate down into our sort of lab files area. And we're going to take a look first at a CSV file, a comma separated values file. And you'll see that this file contains the data to create 4 users. The first row across the top of the file, first, last department, that's the properties. And then the next 4 rows are the individual users. Let's take a look at the script that exists to create them. So we'll open up that particular thing in our ISE. Notice the first line, we're creating a variable called $users that references our CSV file we just looked at. We're going to run that through a for each loop, so every element in that variable, we're going to create a display name variable consisting of first space last, and then we're going to use the new ADUser command to create the 4 Active Directory users using the information that we've been provided. So let's go to PowerShell. We're going to navigate to our working directory, and then we're going to go // that's kind of code to run a script, and we're going to run the demo users PowerShell script, and nothing bad happened. So let's go verify that our 4 users were correctly added. To do that, we're going to go into Active Directory Administrative Center, and we'll open up ADatum. We'll navigate to our new OU London branch where the users are going, and verify that they are there, and they are. Another successful demo. See you next time.